sentence, and the one sentence is being in electrically conductive contact with the earth. And that's either by direct means, being in direct contact with the earth, or indirect means through footwear, grounding sheets, grounding mats. But essentially what's happening is your body is discharging to the same electrical potential of the earth. So electrostatics teaches that when two conductive materials with different electrical potentials come into contact, they'll equalize to the same electrical potential. So you talked a little bit about the earth circuit. So when we connect electrically to the earth, why is the earth the way that it is? Why is it electrically conductive? Why is there a negative surface charge at the Earth's surface? And that's due to various cosmological atmospheric phenomena. One of them is solar radiation coming into the atmosphere and literally ripping molecules apart and ionizing these molecules in the ionosphere. And these ions kind of get pushed around everywhere through ionospheric winds. So that's a factor in it. Thunderstorms is a really big one. One that isn't really talked about is radioactive decay. So in the Earth's crust, we have things like uranium and thorium, which undergo radioactive decay. And they basically shoot out these alpha, gamma, beta particles. And particularly these beta particles can contribute to the Earth's negative surface charge. But the big one is lightning strikes. So what is a lightning strike? So in a storm cloud, there's a separation of charges at the top, the middle, the bottom of the cloud. So it's this separation of charges. And when that separation reaches a critical threshold, air molecules start to kind of break apart, and it creates this ionized channel called the lightning channel. And that is essentially a transfer of thousands of amps into the Earth's surface, negative charge into the Earth's surface, and positive charge back up into the upper atmosphere. So that contributes greatly. At any one time, there's like 1,000 to 2,000 thunderstorms going on around the world at any one moment, and that's thousands of lightning strikes, a minute, and that's constantly contributing to that surface charge. And it's that surface charge that we plug our electrical systems into for stability, safety, balance. It's a really helpful mechanisms to keep excessive electrical energy from harming our equipment and from harming our body. But answering the big question, it's just being in electrical contact with the earth.